In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check email logs in Salesforce. This process can be really helpful for keeping track of communication, verifying email delivery, or investigating issues with sent emails. Let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the top right corner of your Salesforce dashboard. There you'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and click on this icon, which is your gateway to the advanced setup area. Advanced setup is a key feature for accessing various administrative tools, and it's where we need to go for checking email logs. Once in advanced setup, you'll notice a quick find box. This is a powerful tool that helps you locate different settings and features in Salesforce quickly. In this box, simply type in email log files. This search will direct you straight to the email logging options without having to scroll through numerous menus. Now that you've located email log files, click on it. This will take you to the section where you can manage and request email logs. It's the main area where all of the email logging activity happens. Next up, you'll see an option to request an email log. Click on this and you'll be prompted to specify a few details. It's important to specify the correct date and time range for the email logs you want to check. This precision helps in narrowing down the results to what is most pertinent to your needs. If you wish, you can further fine-tune your log retrieval by adding filters based on specific email addresses or domains. This is particularly useful if you're trying to find communication related to certain contacts or organizations. Once you've set the parameters to suit your requirements, click on Submit Request. This action tells Salesforce to gather the logs for you. After you've submitted your request, Salesforce will process it and subsequently send the log file directly to your email address. The file will arrive as a zip archive, ensuring that the data is compressed and secure. It's a straightforward way to receive the information conveniently. In addition to the zip archive sent to your email, you can also access the logs directly within Salesforce. After your request has been processed, navigate to the email logs section. Here you'll find all the requested email logs available for review, offering an easy way to cross-reference or go over the details as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your email logs in Salesforce, which is a great way to keep your communication in check and ensure everything is running smoothly. Remember, handling email logs can be an essential part of your Salesforce administration toolkit. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to check back for more tutorials and tips.